Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the Neanderthals as well as Homo sapiens. Now, Neanderthals are a closely related species of humans or Homo sapiens. Uh, they are a distinct species other than Homo sapiens or humans, and their species is known as Homo neanderthalensis. Homo neanderthalensis and Homo sapiens, they share common ancestry, which mean their ancestors were same, but with the evolution, at the course of evolution, some 500,000 years ago, Neanderthals were separated from the Homo sapiens, were the modern human. So uh, this is based on the fossil record as well as the DNA record and DNA studies. Now, when we talk about their separation about 500,000 years ago, so this is based on their long evolutionary history. The earliest fossils of Neanderthals are around 430,000 years ago, which shows that at that time Neanderthals have separated from the Homo sapiens. The best known Neanderthals, they lived between about 130,000 to 40,000 years ago. So it means that the human-like species Neanderthals, they existed on Earth some 40,000 years ago. After 40,000 years ago, we don't find any of the fossil evidences of this species, which shows that some 40,000 years ago, this species suddenly vanishes from this planet Earth. This is the typical skeleton of Neanderthals, which have different morphological features as compared to the Homo sapiens or modern humans. When we do some genetic calibrations, uh, according to some scientists, the Neanderthals got separated from humans some 650,000 years ago. Nonetheless, the interbreeding between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens through the course of evolution has resulted in the presence of 2% DNA of Neanderthal is present in modern humans in the present day non-Africans. So this shows that there used to be interbreeding between Homo sapiens and Neanderthals in the uh, course of evolution in the history.